Good afternoon, welcome to Allison Customs. Today I'm starting a new series called Tool Bag Tuesday. And it's kind of the metaphorical tool bag because all these tools will not fit in a bag and some of them are bigger than most bags. But what it is tools that I use in my shop that I either get questions on or just think they're great tools to have and I want to share them with you. So this is a new series that I'm going to try and run throughout 2019. We'll see how it takes off. If everybody enjoys it, I'll keep bringing them. And it won't be necessarily every Tuesday, but just trying to share some of the stuff here in the shop that I use all the time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy all the videos to come. Hey, welcome back to another Tool Bag Tuesday. So today, all I'm going to show you is the table that we're working with here. Now this is a welding, grinding, cutting table. I have it, it's probably been in half the videos you guys have seen. This particular one came from Harbor Freight. It is basically a knockoff of the one that Eastwood sells. It has like a cadmium zinc type coating on the table. It's sheet metal, although it's been pretty durable. I've started to get a little bow on it from all the stuff I've stacked on it over time. But it's pretty nice. It does tilt. If I loosen the handles up enough. Let me back the camera off a little bit. It's got handles on each side to loosen it, and it tilts, and you can lock it down at any angle. It's got edges that you can pop up if you need basically a straight edge or you're trying to hold something while you're on an angle. It's got little tool racks down below, which I don't tend to find myself using, although every now and then I'll start throwing clamps on there. Or like when I was making the desk organizers and I was moving stuff around all the time. With the slots in the top, you can get a C-clamp under there, clamp stuff down. It's very nice, pretty inexpensive. I'll put a link to both this one, the Harbor Freight one, and if I can find a version on Amazon, I'll put a link for that for you as well. So the other nice thing is the legs fold up, so you can rotate the table up and then fold the legs up, and it gives you, it gets it completely out of your way, gives you a nice little works table that is completely portable and easy to put away. That's it for this Tool Bag Tuesday. We'll see you again soon.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.